Welcome to TKO. Placing your first order on our new website is a breeze. Follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Create an account. First, sign up for an account using a valid email address and password. Once you've set up your account, log in to start placing your order by clicking the Start Order button in the top right corner of the screen. Step 2. Start your order. Once you click the Start Order button, you'll see the following options. Select Formula. Choose between screen-printed transfers, digital transfers, or a combination of both types. Active Sport, Premium Plus, and Extreme Color are the three main formulas offered. Select Sub-Formula. Each formula has unique variations to suit your needs. For example, Active Sport offers Active Sport Classic and Active Sport Puff. Premium Plus offers Premium Plus Classic, Premium Plus tagless labels, and Premium Plus silicone. And lastly, Extreme Color offers Extreme Color Soft, Extreme Color Stretch, Extreme Color Blocker, and Extreme Color Digital. To assist in finding the best product for your project, view our product pages for more information. Select colors. If you opt for screen-printed transfers, choose the number of colors and select from our stock color options. The number of colors able to be selected will change based on the chosen formula and sub-formula. Custom color options are available via Pantone matching for most formulas with a $40 fee. A completely optional white backer may be also available for a $40 extra fee. This one is recommended for lighter colors when pressing on dark garments to keep the colors vibrant. Another option is the added blocker, which is recommended to prevent unwanted dye migration on sublimated polyester. This option is available for Premium Plus only. Extreme Color Blocker comes with blocker already added to the base and is not an optional add-in. Choose transfer type. Decide between single image transfers, one design per sheet, or gang sheet transfers, multiple designs on a sheet. Some formulas may only be available in one or the other. Color count may also limit this selection. Please view our product pages for more details. Select sheet size. Choose the appropriate sheet size that fits your design. Your artwork will print at the size you submit and not the sheet size selected. Sheet sizing availability may vary by formula. Step 3. Upload your artwork. Ensuring it meets our guidelines. If you are uncertain of any requirements, view our official Art Guidelines tab and the art requirements for your chosen formula, listed at the bottom of each project page respectively. Contact our team with any questions. We will gladly assist you. Artwork services. If needed, you can choose professional assistance for your artwork with an additional fee. Our artists will review your file and send you a final proof for approval before printing. Print as is. If you prefer to proceed despite potential artwork concerns, you can select this option. Please be aware that by choosing this option, you accept all responsibility for the final results of your printed products. Step 4. Adjust the quantities. Select the number of sheets you need, considering the minimum requirements for each formula. Take advantage of pricing tiers for better prices on large orders. Step 5. Checkout. Proceed to the checkout page where you'll provide shipping and billing information. Enter any coupon codes if available, and consider adding shipping protection for a minimal fee. If your order is $199 or more, you can get free shipping via UPS Ground. If you live in an area that may take longer than 2 days to ship to, you will be offered second-day air for ground rates on your order of $199 or more. Finally, review your order specifications, agree to the terms and conditions, and click Place Your Order. Congratulations! Your order is now complete. You'll receive an order number and confirmation via email. With TKO's fast turnaround times, your transfers will be on their way to you in no time. Thank you for letting TKO have your back for all your heat transfer needs.